Okay, I forgot to say that I was gonna come back when it's fully kneaded, and it is fully kneaded, but I don't like the texture. Like, I like the sand. It kind of feels like nice, but like it rips fast like that. But it's fine. I'll work with it. I'll tweak it up. Tweak that ace. Get that all in there. I'm getting the paint in, you know. Gotta get that paint. Are my hands gonna glow if I touch this? Probably not. I actually like this though because of the sand. It's so nice and soothing. It's like putting styrofoam beads in here and then using them and playing with it. It's like, oh my god. Wait, hearing will popping out. ASMR. Get your headphones. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam. I don't know if you can hear this, but yes. Yes, I love the sand. I'm gonna put that in my slime every day. Oh, if it's blue, if I had some blue, I could put it in here and say it's sea sand, sea or beach time or whatever. So, I'll see you guys in a few. Okay, I'm getting distracted by penguins and cute duckies on the screen. It's commercial for Dawn, not sponsored, because